Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Blowfin, absolutely amazing exchange that I've actually been trading on myself for the past 2 weeks or so. Sign up with my link below in the next week and get a 10% deposit coupon for futures trading. Amazing opportunity to get yourself involved in the markets risk-free. That one trade might be the one that makes you your first 100x gain in cryptocurrency. Always like to reward my community with the best opportunities that I can find. Also make sure to get involved with BTCC and Mexi, who are also offering some big sign up bonuses and competitions. All the links are in the description below and they'll give you some free goodies, so make sure to get involved down below with all of those. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, and as we can see, getting a decent recovery over the past week or so from this crazy downtrend that we've been in. We've obviously finally broken the resistance in a similar manner to what Bitcoin's been doing. If we look at Bitcoin, we can see Bitcoin's been in a significant downtrend recently and has broken free. Polygon obviously following suit here, getting some decent volume at these lows as well. Obviously we came down, tapped 15 cents, which is a crazy drop, isn't it? And then since then we've had this decent breakout and we've come back into this previous area of structure here, as you can see. Overall, I would expect Polygon to continue having a decent bounce to the upside as long as Bitcoin doesn't stop misbehaving. But obviously Bitcoin right now looking pretty damn good, up at 94.5k ish, and looking like, to be honest, it could continue. Obviously if Bitcoin drops again, then we will see some significant drops across the altcoin space. Right now we're having a bit of a relief rally for the altcoin basket in general. If you take a look at the altcoin basket, you can see here we've obviously broken down from our support trend line, come down into this level of liquidity. We have had the bounce and we have broken out of the local downtrend resistance here, but we've still got a lot of work to do if we want to be seeing our altcoins getting some significant relief. You can see Polygon extremely highly correlated to that downtrend that we've seen recently, dropping an incredible amount, to be fair. Overall, Polygon here looking very much like it could be at least putting in a bottom in this local area. If we do come back down, you could probably expect something like this sideways and then a slow recovery to the upside in line with the rest of the altcoins. Overall, as I said, not much to report. Bitcoin looking good, altcoins having a decent bounce to the upside. Overall, I think the macro could be switching bullish again for altcoins. Let's see if we can get a decent recovery for Polygon back up towards 50 cents over the next few months. Thanks a lot for joining me again today on another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up with Blowfin for the bonus, BTCC for a massive bonus on sign up as well. Get involved with our other exchange partnerships for free sign up bonuses, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.